No, sir. This don't look good.
Hey, yo! Look up good look. Oh, just see it, people. See it. It's a good look. Yeah, people. See it. We're at Loydie Bar and Grill. Right on the main street. And you see the color here up on the bar, the green and the blue. You reach. I'm going to show you what I go on. See it there. Yeah, people, see it there? We there our next part today, you know. We there on one elder named Jah Loydie. Jah Loydie, big up yourself and big up the people them.
Yes, man, it's a good look, you know. Right at Jah Loydie place, Main Street, Porus.
That is it.
Yeah.
What I go on and say now, my boss?
You know, we have some rice and peas ready.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Look at that, people.
Yeah, man. Right here, so we have some fried chicken ready.
Wow.
Yeah, man. And for breakfast stuff, we have some ackee and saltfish right here.
Okay. And this is the national dish, ackee and saltfish. Well pretty. Look at that.
Yeah, man. So we also have fried some chicken too. Yeah, man.
Chicken there fry, you see it? Steam and come out of the pot. Wow. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
It's a good look.
And we have some brown stew chicken right here too.
Okay. What heap of flavor?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So yes, Jah Loydie, how long you been doing this?
Well, you know me, I do this, I can't tell you from when, but I do this for me either, many.
Whole heap of ups and downs.
Yes, man.
How your man is in a downtime?
Well, I tell you, saying I don't time a wicked, we have to just cut back.
Yeah.
Cut like 20 pounds or so, we have to cut it down to all, sometime all 4 pounds
Yeah.
for the day. That take time I pick up back, you know, we can take time and come up back with it same way.
Right.
Yeah, so I just that way have it.
And you do deliver it, right?
Well, we don't have no delivery right now, but we soon get back on that track. As we tell the things they done, so we'll get back there.
People, I'm telling you now, this brother is a trying hombre, I'm not lie. From I meet him until now, he's been doing his thing. So, you hear him say, it's not always up. Sometimes it's down.
Yeah, man.
The people them want to view the thing and look for your thing. What would I up the thing to one level where?
Well, all we need, you know, is just some customers to come in and purchase what we have, and then we're good for this up.
Alright, so you don't need no major help, no, you don't need no potter, you don't need no stove, or you don't need no woods or nothing like that for sir.
Well, if we get some of that, you know, we don't have no problem if we get some of them items, no problem.
Yeah, that is it. You hear that, people? Humble. Him just want some customers. So you have a number we can leave in the description for them, right?
Yes, man, we have a number ready, man. 210-88-57.
Alright. 210-88-57.
Yeah, we have some brown stew pork on the outside here, so.
Wow. Look at that. That's a
Brown
pork,
stew pork,
people.
yeah.
All of the Rasta viewers and know no one can look upon this, but I know one can't touch it. But everybody else see it there. I know I feel like I touch piece of pork right now, Jah Loydie.
You know, I don't eat it, but I make sure that.
You deal with it. So may I ask a question. If you're a chef who don't eat a certain food, because I always want to know this. You know? How you know if the food tastes good?
Alright, guess what happen now? We have a proportion where we go by. Like if we have 10 pounds of pork, we know the amount of seasoning to add to us that.
Right.
You understand? If you doubt yourself and you have a customer who come and eat it, you let them taste it for you.
Right.
And then from this out, then we tell us, say, you know, you want a touch of pepper or a little more seasoning, you can do that.
So you work with what the customer them say?
Most of the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
I eat, man. Yeah. Boy, I'm not lie. I taste the food, people, and the food is a good look. Is a good taste. Everything that is good. You see me? Jah Loydie there with we are showing you some more little style we are going throughout the day. Just stay tuned. And remember, it's a good look, right?
It's a good look, yes man.
That's what we did, you know. My lunch piece every day. We want to light the place, you know. Yo, people, check in the light, you know, man. Oh, God, man. Cool.
Yeah.
Nice, you know. Oh, my.
Nice.
Nice.
Let me ask you something. When you come here, so where you order?
Large food, me have to order, you know. It's such a plan, you have the curry. Oh,
Yeah.
God, man. Curry can't miss me.
Believe.
Believe me, man. I'm not talking one small one in the tree. A large one, you know, man. I don't know what to up already, you know.
That
one
is
light,
it.
you know, man. Yo, daddy, pick up yourself, you know.
Like this. Big up
It's a
yourself,
good
my
look,
boss. It's a good look.
It's a good look.
Yes, sir. See the paper. And an ox coconut. Loydie bar and grill with the same me. Boy, general people don't know them style, you know me, G. And see there, you have green coconut.
Yeah.
This is dry coconut, people. So not the green one. Look at the green one. Not that. We cut them one, they're different.
Yeah.
But you see the dry coconut, this is what we cut. And we cut it to this level. And then we open up this and use it for the rice and peas. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll show you the process. See it there? Take off the trash, right, Mela?
Yeah, see how you're going down. Just like that.
See it there? You have one little round ball down in there where you go get to. Mine on the finger. The elder is a professional, so that's why I can do it like this.
Yeah.
But be very careful when you're trying this, here. So them there, 2 coconut ox out fast. Better when the last dull or when the last sharp, which one?
That's sharp, man. That's the all. Yeah, move as you have to move with it, you know?
Yeah.
Last one sharp it up so long time.
Ox already.
Yeah.
But we now rush the process, people. See it there? I'll show you the whole works.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you chop it in the middle, see what the elder do? Put pressure upon it. Ah, that is it. And just take off the core part off it, right? The outside part. It's a good look, people. See it? Yeah, man. So, you come to Jah Loydie Bar and Grill, you get original, authentic coconut milk in your thing and a coconut powder. Right? See it there? I show the whole process. Real coconut milk when I get in on the food. Yeah, real Jamaican flavor. Just like that. So you say, auntie, are you sell the chicken them?
Yes, man.
If you want a chicken to buy and the people them want watch a good look TV, you can sell them some chicken too?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
How your chicken them way?
From 3 to 4.
Okay, and what is the price range?
Oh, right now it's 320 per pound.
Per pound. So
yes.
320 per pound. If you're getting a 3 pound, that would roughly be around $1,000. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Alright, so now can do the maths. And here you have Jah Loydie see me. Why, auntie? When him fry the chicken them, you know?
Me I tell you, say the chicken when you see a fryer right now, so chicken to fry,
Right.
it will cover with oil.
Where they now?
Right, the shop.
You eat out here?
Yes, I eat my breakfast, hockey and saltfish.
Food taste nice?
Nice, nice, nice.
Wow.
It's a good look.